Welcome back to Techz Saviour channel. In this video, I will tell you how to remove an audio track from your video file. In previous video, I told you how to convert MP3 file into MP4 file. But you may face a problem that if your file has dual track audio, so after converting your file, you may see that only one audio is in your MP4 file. So there is a solution for it to remove all other audio tracks from your MP3 file before converting it to MP4 file. So in this video, I will tell you how to do it. Let's see. Okay guys, first of all you have to download an application named MKV Tool Next from Google Chrome, and then after downloading you can easily delete the audio track. First of all, I will show you a file which I have downloaded. It have two audio tracks, you can see Hindi and English. So after downloading the application, you have to open it and then drag the video that you want to delete the audio track from. All the detail will come here. You can see my video have two audio tracks, Hindi and English. Just uncheck the audio track that you don't wanna in your video, and then click on start multiplexing, and here it is started. After a few seconds it will complete it and it will give me a new file with only one audio track, and which will be English. Okay, it's completed. Now I can check my new file. See, here the only audio track is English. Now you can easily convert it to MP4 and import in your Premiere Pro easily, and the video will have the audio which you wanted. If you haven't seen how to convert MKV files into MP4, you should check it. In my previous video, I showed it how to do it. Thank you for watching.